Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by opening the YouTube app or website and signing in. Once signed in, tap your profile icon in the corner and choose Settings. This gives you access to playback and accessibility controls. Make sure you locate either an accessibility section or playback settings. Some versions place captions and audio description under playback. You do this first so you can change global player behavior rather than toggling every video separately. Once located, you're ready to switch features off in the next step. Now you'll turn off the player-level accessibility features. In playback settings, toggle captions or subtitles off, or use the CC button on the video player to disable captions for that video. This prevents auto-captioning. Next, disable audio descriptions or any audio narration under accessibility so you stop automatic descriptive audio. Make sure to check advanced options like auto-generated captions or keyboard shortcut behavior, and also inspect browser extensions that inject accessibility functionality, because those can override YouTube settings. To finish, save or exit settings and reload a video to confirm captions and audio descriptions are off. If settings don't stick, clear the app cache or browser cookies and sign in again. This often resolves sync issues. If the features remain active, make sure your device-level accessibility, like VoiceOver or TalkBack, is not forcing narration or captions system-wide. If that's enabled, turn it off in device settings. One troubleshooting tip: disable any third-party caption or accessibility browser extension, then retry. It often causes persistent overlays.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.